be making some Caribbean chicken. I don't want to call it jerk chicken because I'm going to be doing some special things with it. I'm going to start with my seasoning. I have garlic powder, and we're just going to season it sparingly. You guys know how I do. If you've ever seen any of my cooking shows, some thyme. Okay, then you want to add some ground thyme. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, some seasoning salt. Some ground allspice, some paprika, a little bit of nutmeg, not too much of that, and some coriander. Okay, then I'm going to add some olive oil to allow all of this to marinate. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, our seasoning with our oil should look like this. Next, we're going to add some browning. Okay, just a little bit for color. That's how you get that really dark color. And I'm going to be adding 2 discs of Indonesian palm sugar. If you don't have any of that, you can use brown sugar. And then I'm going to be mincing up some garlic. But I'm done mixing up all your chicken. This is what it should look like. Simply dark, seasoned, and beautiful. It smells almost sweetly aromatic, but we're going to be adding a little bit of the Indonesian palm sugar to this. The palm sugar, you just want to slice it up, because once it heats, it's going to melt just like any other sugar would. So to take a look at my produce. Okay, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Whenever you're cooking, look for more color. That's what I advise. When you look for more color, then you know you're gonna have a well-balanced diet or meal. I shouldn't say diet because this is a lifestyle. We've got some lime, orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 garlic cloves, a huge habanero pepper. That's why I didn't put cayenne in this chicken. And then I've got a red bell pepper, some green onion, some parsnips. These are delicious. They're like potatoes and carrots at the same time. Mayan onion, cilantro, red potato, and red. Now I'm just gonna have my citrus, okay, because I'm adding this citrus juice to my chicken, okay? So I'm gonna slice them all up with the pulp. All of it. All of it. I don't care. It's gonna marinate. I can't even imagine what it's gonna taste like. I just think it's gonna come out exactly what I want. Exactly what I want. So now I'm going to take off all of the roots to my garlic, and I'm gonna mince it up and add it to my chicken. Taking 3 cloves, no, 4 cloves of the 7. And while my skillet is heating up, I'm gonna cut and slice this red bell pepper. With the red bell pepper, and I think it'll brighten it up with some green cilantro and green scallions. It'll be really pretty. I used to have a purple cabbage at the restaurant. Okay, now I'm gonna work on slicing up my green onions. And you can just slice slice these small because I'm going to add these to the red cabbage. Did I get my peeler out? I hope so. Now that I've got my skillet all warm, I'm going to put these in the skillet face down. No need to add oil. We'll add butter in a little bit to make our sauce. Okay, skin down. It's important that you have like a pretty sizable skillet for this. I love this commercial size skillet because I can cook my meat the whole way through and it'll be tender. Okay, let's get to cutting the parsnips. We're just gonna cut these diagonally. Now with our red potatoes, I'm just gonna round off the edges, just like that. And go down, leave the skin on, cut in a quarter on both sides. Okay, now for the Mayan onion, I've already peeled it, so I'm just gonna use a little less than half because this is a pretty big onion and I'm using this to go inside of my potato. Okay guys, it's been about 7 minutes and it's time to flip over the chicken. I'm going to now flip over my chicken and add the habanero pepper to the marinade and the sauce in the skillet to give it a little heat. I didn't do it earlier on because I don't want to make the chicken too spicy, and this is a pretty big pepper. So now that the chicken is almost flipped over, let's get this one. Look how beautiful that is. It almost looks like barbecue, but it's not. Look. See that? That's what you want to see. And then we're just going to add that in there for some heat. You don't want to miss what's coming up. Okay, I'm warming up my cast iron and I've added a little bit of olive oil to coat the bottom of the pan. I did it so you could see, but it already coated the bottom of my pan. And as that gets warm, I'm going to begin adding my parsnips and my red potatoes. I'm going to add some black pepper. Garlic powder. Seasoning salt. And all this. Put the color in there. I'm going to get to cutting up my cilantro. Throw the stems out. I'm just going to mince it up a little bit more. Cabbage. Throughout the cores. Or keep them. I'm just not. Hey guys, I want you to see our veggies for tonight. We've got red cabbage, red bell pepper, green onion, the rest of the minced garlic, some cilantro, and green onion. And then for our sauce, we're going to be using some butter, seasoning salt, red wine vinegar, honey, and black pepper. Trust me.